Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Unbanned, remove ban on OmeTV for free. All we need is the special mod called Remove++, which will remove the ban and bring us other interesting features. Make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any crucial steps. So, grab your device, stay focused, and let's jump right in. Let's begin by optimizing your settings, especially for iOS users. If you're on an Android device, you can move ahead to the main installation instructions. First, go to your device's settings and find the battery section. Make sure the low power mode is turned off, as this can impede the app's performance. Next, navigate back to the settings menu, select General, and then tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is selected. This setting ensures that the app can refresh its content in the background, which is vital for smooth operation. Once you have completed the initial checks, we can proceed. Open your browser and navigate to titanmods.com, a trusted site that hosts various modded applications. Search for Remove++ and select it from the results. A detailed page will appear with information such as the number of downloads and community ratings. Click on the Download Now button and the system will begin downloading the app. This process is quick, and you should soon see a confirmation message indicating a successful installation. If you are using our site for the first time, you will have to perform one more step. It is very quick, easy, and of course free. You will be taken to a verification page where you will have to install apps from the App Store or Play Store. There will be a tutorial on the site showing how to do everything exactly. Once this step is completed, installation will start immediately. In my example, the verification was successful and the app was downloaded and you can see it on the screen. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed it and everything is working well for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you and see you in my next video.